Are you stuck in a creative rut? Or perhaps you would like to understand your personal relationships better. Or maybe you want to excel in that job that you have. Whatever your issue is in life, lucid dreaming can help you achieve long-lasting happiness. In fact, lucid dreaming is just a side effect of focusing the mind. So when we close our eyes and we continuously repeat a phrase, or we use our imagination to continuously view a particular object, our concentration is expanded and we become lucid while we're sleeping, simply from doing a few practices every day. Some of you may be thinking, I can't even remember my dreams. And some of you may be thinking, well, I remember my dreams, but they're weird and they don't make any sense and I have no control over them. What if I told you that your dreams are just an extension of your waking life and you can use your sleep to help you manifest the life of your desires? I'm Eric Cassano, founder of Aquarian Alchemy and a dream navigator myself. And like you, I used to have trouble remembering my dreams, much less controlling them. But I'm gonna let you in on a little secret that I discovered. Breathwork, when combined with focusing the mind early in the morning, has the power to make you lucid at night while you're sleeping. This means you can actually control your dreams. Would you like to solve that big problem at work? Or would you like to see your creativity blossom? Well, now you can when you use my simple yet effective methods of focusing the mind. In my groundbreaking new course, Breathwork and Lucid Dreaming 101, you'll learn ancient techniques that not only enhance your self-awareness, but also deepens your inner work. This course doesn't just promise, it delivers, but you have to be willing to commit to 5 weeks. I designed this course to build upon itself, and it gives you enough time to master each lesson every week. We kick off week 1 with the basics, dream recollection. You can't go lucid unless you can remember your dreams first. So I'll help you turn those foggy dream memories into clear pictures so you can take back information from your subconscious mind. In week 2, I introduce you the difference between meditation and concentration. This helps tremendously for going lucid. By week 3, you're ready for visualization. This is when we use the imagination to train the mind to create vivid imagery. In week 4, I show you how to do dream incubation. This means you can plant the dream of your choice in your subconscious mind so you have that dream while you're sleeping. The truth is, you can dream about anything you want, but it takes just a little bit of visualization and consistency to make that happen. In week 5, you're in complete lucidity, and I tell you what you can do once you're lucid in order to keep training the mind while you're sleeping. So this course comes with lectures, guided breathwork and meditation audio tracks, as well as sleep audio tracks to help you get great rest at night. From sparking creativity to solving those nagging problems, your dreams have the answers. You just have to know how to access them. Join now and I'll show you how.